Welcome back, everyone. Today's task, Dad is on his way here. We are going to tag team this guy. If you'll notice, I've pointed this out before, but the last time this thing was plated was 1968. We are in 2018, and it is December the 29th. So if I want to make this thing run in its 50-year anniversary, that has to be in the next couple of days. So I don't know if we're going to be able to do it or not, but he is coming over here with a pile of tools and things to get us going. We're going to tag team it. I figure with the two of us on it, we can get it done a lot quicker. It is a little bit chilly today, but we won't let that stop us.
We think it's right dead. It's right dead on top of that starter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's right on top of the bell housing.
Sounds hard to read. Sorry, don't really get the. Didn't see no spark. Well, points maybe. Throw the big rug over it. Right over
Where
top.
there's smoke,
Put the
there's
rug
fire.
over top of the carburetor. Right over top of the center of it. And tell me when you're ready.
See what we got.
You ready? Okay, throttle it a little bit. Maybe you had to put more gas on it.
That ain't moving, Dad. There it goes.
A little more gas in it. Didn't hit a lick then. Tell me when.
All right.
It hit. I heard it. Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Sound like it tried. A little more gas in it.
It's going to throw that belt in my face is what's going to happen.
Yes. Here, put these on.
That's all right. I got a pair over here.
At least protect your eyes. You can take a smacking. This thing's liable to get you. Sound like you tried, didn't it?
That's what it's going to do. It's going to throw that belt.
Oh, yeah.
Whew.
I'd say choke needs to be on. I thought I heard it hit. Didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Get the screwdriver stick up in there. See if I can't shock myself. Probably a metal layered spark. See if you can see it.
Turn the light off.
You have to touch it. You may have to touch it something else because there ain't enough, probably enough metal there to. I'll tell you what. All we got to do is get a little spark going there, and we got it.
This is serious redneck engine starting here.
Got it?
Redneck engineering.
You ready?
Where's my... There we go.
Remember, if you want to shut it off, just jerk the positive post off over there. Hold that. Put a screwdriver up in it.
We decided one of us was going to end up getting hit in the face.
Yeah.
And it was probably going to be Dad. So we robbed a pulley belt from Aaron's car. Shh, don't tell him. You know it's going to start when we don't have the camera rolling.
Well,
That's
yeah.
what's going to happen.
Natural. Ready?
I guess so. Ha!
That's it. I'm gone. Ha ha! Put a little more gas in it.
Why isn't this moving?
That's a choke. You got to pull.
Right there.
You got to pull.
Okay.
Your choke's pulled.
It will run.
All right, now.
Now we need a little. Boy, smells good.
Need a little fuel. Oh, let's turn the gas on. No, I didn't have it turned on. Don't have much gas in there. How about that? You heard it about that time. Didn't you?
Oh yeah.
That was real.
A little more fuel.
Points, rotors, starters.
It's kind of like that thing you used to do for school.
What's your tank? Well, that's all right. But if you turn that up, it'll get fuel. I'm trying to force feed some fuel to it. Yeah.
Use those big Ford tail lights or something.
Hey.
Do it. Ah. It'll run.
Now you're cooling, Marcy, but you got them mouse problems in there probably, so don't run it very long if you play with it. You could probably run it 3 minutes, something like that, because it's cold enough outside. It's probably not going to.
Did you start it already?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
Get up there.
That's it.
That's a clean engine.
Yeah.
Okay.
50 years.